Hi guys, another lock picking video for you. I've got an American padlock, brass. It's got US stamped on it, so I'm not sure whether it was part of the military padlock at one time. It's a ASL40 5-pinner, wax fine. Again, full of serrated pins, serrated key pins, serrated driver pins, hybrid spool slash serrated driver pins. Show you a bitting for it. There you go, bit of a challenge on pin 1, but I'm not oversetting that to get to the rest. Let's give it a go at picking. Going to be using the Peterson gem. Very light tension. It's right at the back of the lock, and just dragging the pick out. Push pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, 10 on the core, pin 3, no click but slight turn there. Zoom in a bit. Pin 2, movement. There you go. Pin 1, pin 4, pin 3, pin 2, five. Okay, so that's 10, quite a lot, but it's still not open. Back of the lock, just twisting the pick just to see if I can get that movement. That's pin 4 there, slight movement. So try and set him, bit of setting. That's pin 2. Pin 3. Pin 2. Pin 1. Pin 4. And we're open. Whoa, that was tough. Cheers guys.